Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to choose resolution of your photo in your Galaxy M15. So to do this operation, go to option and set for a camera icon here. Choose from the down here the photo option, and there is in the corner the option is 12 or 15 megapixels. So this is the less and this is the more height of your image file. So this file will have much more quality than this, but the file will be get more gain megabyte, higher. So let's see this photo, how it look like when we try to zoom in. It's looking like that, and let's see that 12 megapixels. And as you see, this is smaller image. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe. Let's see you by next video. Hey.